What is digital planning? Picture a notebook where you're taking notes for a lecture or simply writing in a journal or planning your upcoming month. Now swap out your physical notebook with an iPad and your traditional pen with an Apple Pencil. Welcome to the world of digital planning and journaling. Of course, nothing beats the tactile feeling of writing with an actual pen on paper, but there are so many great benefits and advantages to digital note-taking. For example, everything is located in one place. No more heavy bags with tons of notebooks, no more cluttered shelves and messy desks while trying to find a book or note. They're all stored in one main storage location. You can also easily share anything with family and friends. Want to share that favorite recipe with your mom? A travel itinerary with your partner? How about that project timeline with a colleague? Just hit the export button. So with that said, let's dive right in. After you've made your purchase, there are 3 ways to retrieve the files: through your desktop, through your iPad, or through a direct link. The files are located in a Dropbox folder. It is best that you create your own Dropbox account, and you will also need to download the Dropbox app onto your iPad. The easiest and fastest way to download the files is through your desktop. Go to your Etsy purchases and reviews, find your order, hit the download files button, unzip any files and transfer them to your own Dropbox account. The second way is through an iPad. Note that at this time, you cannot retrieve the files directly through the Etsy iPad app. You'll need to log in through your iPad browser, such as Safari. Do the same thing as step number 1, navigate to your purchases and reviews, find your order, hit the downloads button, which will open up another window to download, and then hit the file download button again. However, this time you'll be saving to Apple iCloud's download folder and not Dropbox. Clicking will prompt a little arrow at the top of your browser. Click this little arrow, which will access your iCloud folder, and click it again to unzip your files. The third way you might receive your files is through a Dropbox link that I will give to you. You can either go back to your desktop to copy the files as in step 1, which is copying from my Dropbox to your Dropbox, or if you're in an iPad, do the following. Upon clicking the link, it will take you to a Safari browser. Hit the up arrow on the top right, which will prompt a drop-down. Make sure you see a Save to Dropbox option here. If you don't see this, scroll down and click Edit Actions, and make sure that the Save to Dropbox is enabled. When it is, simply hit Save and the files will sync to your Dropbox account. Be sure to watch my other videos on how to use specific apps such as GoodNotes and NoteShelf. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to learn more about digital planning. And lastly, be sure to follow me on Instagram @TightMaven to get updates on new products and sales. Shop more digital planners and accessories at tightmaven.com.